Is Windows failing to load because of the JavaScript Collection Agent DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before we begin the walkthrough for JavaScript Collection Agent, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the JavaScript Collection Agent. The JavaScript Collection Agent. It manages unmanaged memory profiling and diagnostic logging for JavaScript engines within the Windows Shell and Microsoft Edge Legacy, used for performance auditing. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Errors involving JavaScript Collection Agent DLL typically suggest that the Localized Script Profiling Agent files within your host software are truncated or missing, and a fresh installation of that program is the best way to fix the internal directory. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the JavaScript Collection Agent file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double check your inputs. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone JavaScript Collection Agent DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining JavaScript Collection Agent. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for JavaScript Collection Agent, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.